Hey guys, the goal today is to get all of this stuff out of here because we got a few visitors living in here. I opened it last night and there's some roaches crawling around and there's lots of ants and all kinds of critters in here. So we'll get, as cool as it looks and as much as I'd like to leave it just like it is, we're gonna have to clean it out. So we will put her on some wheel dollies that I picked up from Harbor Freight because the wheels are locked up right now, and I want to get the wheels unlocked, but I want to get it cleaned out first too. So I'm gonna put it on wheel dollies, wheel it back out into the driveway and pull everything out of it, get it all cleaned up, see what kind of treasures we can find in there. All right, we're going in. Oh boy. What a mess. It's kind of a cool mess though. Oh, there's some jeans. Lee. These look like overalls. Look at that. They don't make them there anymore. They don't make them here anymore. Probably made in China like everything else. Man, I could probably sell those on eBay. Wow. What do we have here? There's an old tape measure. Made in Taiwan. It's an old Pepsi bottle. So he was telling me this thing was full. There was a lot more stuff in here. He'd already cleared out some of the old paint and wallpaper that was sitting on top here. And he was over it and he left the rest of it in here. So the guy I bought it from. So it was full capacity. So who knows what we might find in here. He was definitely a painter, and he definitely did wallpaper. Alright, well, we're going to, you know what, let's take a peek in the back real quick. I was happy to see this. Very happy. Let's put this in a safe place. Some hubcaps. Alright guys, well this video is going to be a long video if I take you through every step of it, but basically you can see it's full of wallpaper and old paint and beer bottles and Coke bottles and all kinds of bugs, so, and some jeans. Alright, so I'm gonna get it cleaned out and maybe I'll do a high-speed version of it so we don't get too bored. Alright, let's start. All right, we're still pulling everything out. We've got some rust here, but it looks like we got a good floor back here. So my hopes are high that it's just this front area right here. Maybe we can cut that out and put a new section in. But almost done. A little bit longer. Check it out. There's a divider there with a window in it that goes right here. Hopefully it's in decent shape. That's awesome. Let me get this shelf out of here that he built. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh yeah. I'm about ready for one of those. Except I'm on keto, so I haven't had a beer in 2 months. Soon I'll have one. All right. Lots of room, way more room now. Alright, I'm going to sweep all this out, get it cleaned up some more, and check back in when we start on the front. Alright guys, we're getting there. We are getting there. The inside is looking much better. Still got to do the front, but I'll get to that in a little bit. There's all the stuff. Gotta get this all organized and get it off the lawn before the neighbors think I'm crazy. Probably already do. But there was 4 hubcaps, a wiper blade in the back. What else? This lens cover looks like old light cover or something. I think that was it. There's some inner tubes over there. I'm not sure what they're for. And there was the ceiling for the cab, front of the cab, but it's pretty much toast. Some old newspapers. So we'll go through some of this cool stuff here and take some pictures and hold on to a couple things. Hold on to some of the Coke bottles and beer bottles and stuff. Get all this cleaned up and put it on the curb. And I'll sort out some of the plastic and stuff and put that in the recycling. That was about 2 hours or so, getting that all cleaned out. I think I started around 2 and it's 5 now, so yeah, it's been about 3 hours, but just kind of taking my time, and it takes time to set up the camera and get different angles and stuff. But man, what a difference just pulling that stuff out makes. And get this all cleaned up and hose it off, spray it out. I'm pretty happy with this. I thought it was going to be worse. Pretty happy with that. You know, the only thing I'm really, I knew there was rust. You know, obviously there's rust. You know, it's not a $15, $20, $30, $40,000 van. It's a few $1,000 van. You know, 20, 30 years ago, it would have been a free van. People just give them to you, or take them for $50 or $100 or whatever. But not anymore. People want them. People want them in worse condition than this, and they pay for it. But I plan on keeping it for a while, so I'm gonna, you know, I don't buy and sell. I just buy and hold on to stuff. So I'm gonna clean it up and keep it as original as possible. Get the brakes done, put some new tires on it, and hopefully the engine isn't seized. That would be excellent if we could get that working. Hopefully you guys can give me some tips on any experience you've had with these the old buses and the engines and stuff, and what to look out for. Alright guys, see ya.